Hey, so today I wanted to do a quick video on how to get ChatGPT to go ahead and make you an image and then put that into XCS software and actually be able to engrave it. So what I'm getting ready for the Halloween fall kind of season. So I wanted to make some charcuterie boards that look like pumpkins. And you can see my prompt here. I just put this in ChatGPT. Can you give me an image of a charcuterie board of a skinny pumpkin, add lines that make it look like pumpkin that I will laser engrave? So you don't even have to have good grammar. So I didn't realize I'd missed the like a pumpkin. But anyway, you can see this is what it came up with, and this is pretty good. My issue was I really wanted it to be more like a jack-o'-lantern, so I should have said jack-o'-lantern rather than pumpkin. But what I did, I just said, can you do one with a Halloween pumpkin face? And that came out like this. Now, the last thing that I wound up having to do was ask it to do it without a background, because it puts that background in there. And that, while XCS is really good at getting rid of backgrounds and stuff, this had some grainy stuff in it that I couldn't get rid of. So I had to go to a whole nother thing. But anyway, make sure you tell it without a background. Doesn't matter what color it comes out. That just doesn't matter at all. And then you can come over to your XCS software and you put that in. So this is the actual, no, this is not. Let me pull one of those pictures in real quick. That's not what I want. This is what I want. So this is the other one that I did. I did a wide version also. So I told it I wanted it wide, short and wide. And so this is what it gave me, and you can see that it did it. Now, I find that the Xtool lasers don't engrave images as well as they do the vector file. So to turn this into a vector file, I just hit trace. And you can see it does it. Let me get me out of the way. Save. And now what you have is a vector file. So I can delete this image now and bring this in, hit engrave, and when you hit engrave now, you're ready to go. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put this on cherry wood, and all I want it to do is do the jack-o'-lantern face, and then I'm going to come cut this out with a jigsaw or maybe a scroll saw, but probably just a jigsaw. I'm going to cut this out. So then we've got two charcuterie boards that are ready to go. We're going to do a fall festival show here in October, so I'll let you know how they go and how they sell. I'm not sure what I'm going to price them at yet. I really don't know my power yet, but if you don't know what power to use, come over here to this little applications thing and do a material test array. What that's going to do is give you a whole, I don't have one up here, but it's going to create a whole little thing. I've got a video on it, so check out this channel for that video if you don't know how to do that, because it's really cool. It gives you the test array on whatever wood you're using or whatever material you're using actually, and then you can kind of see it on screen here. It gives you the different layers, so you can just go, it'll lay out your speed and it'll lay out your power, and then you can just put those together and you know exactly what to use. So that's it, how to get a vector file from a drawing. And I just love this thing. XCS works so good. I know there's so many people that swear by Lightburn and don't use XCS, and I really don't know why that is, because XCS has done everything I wanted it to do, and this is just one of those things. So hey, I hope this video finds you well. I hope it helps you. I hope you go make some stuff for the fall season, Halloween, whatever you want. You can do this for Christmas. Just get ChatGPT. It'll make you whatever image you want. Like I said, just make sure and tell it that you want to laser engrave it and not to add a background to it. And that'll help you out. Speed things up anyway. So that's it. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to answer anything you got. And like I said, I will let you know. Hopefully these things sell pretty good. I don't really know what to expect, so we'll find out here. We're supposed to do the show on the 11th of October, so we'll see. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.